My name is Mr Sola Olowoyeye. I'm part of the co-founder of the New Synergy Specialist. New Synergy Specialist is an innovative organization centered around revolutionizing the whole of the finance profession beyond just accountancy. Our alliance with ACCA, our alliance with SCAN School of Professional Accountancy, Pakistan, and we have also collaborated with the University of London. All these alliances is to change things and be able to think ahead and do things much more better. TNSS as an organization, we have a slogan. We call it Enter to Learn and Live to Achieve. Our organization we pride ourselves as world-class finance professional refinery. We train accountants. We don't only just train accountants, we prepare them to be fit for purpose. Our organization is focused on training students for ACCA, and from their journey in ACCA, we also help them with professional experience and train them in a way and manner that they become a business leader. So our journey in training accountants is beyond just for them to come out, but we want them to become accountants that are fit for purpose. This is one of the major milestones we set for ourselves about 5 years ago, that we are going to come into this space and see how we can do things differently. As an organization, we started by shooting to be the strategic partner for ACCA. That we were able to achieve within the first 3 years of our operations, and currently now we are the only strategic partner in the whole of West Africa for ACCA. We proceeded in doing that with also the aim to be able to give value to ACCA affiliates beyond just getting the ACCA qualification. We proceeded to be accredited within our 4 years of operation as the only training institution for University of London to offer masters in professional accountancy. Now, beyond that, just like you mentioned ACCA, CITN, and University of London. So I've given you the milestone. First was the major achievement to be a strategic partner to ACCA. Secondly was a major milestone to be a recognized teaching center for University of London. And then the third one is the most latest collaboration that we are able to be partner with ACCA Nigeria to facilitate the consummation of the two institutes coming together as Chartered Institute of Taxation and ACCA coming together in a way that affiliates now become a direct member of Chartered Institute of Taxation. This is a major milestone. This is something we've been trying to work on for close to 20 years to achieve this. Even though some will tell the journey back to about 4 or 5 years, however, this is something we have longed for, because for this qualification, it has now made ACCA become more robust in Nigeria. It makes our affiliate to be able to be more acceptable generally in the Nigerian market beyond just the global recognition we have in over 183 countries already. Thank you very much. One of the aim of why we went into the collaboration was first to make Nigeria accountants a global accountant. Makes them to be fit for purpose, make them to be ready to be acceptable in any part of the world. Now, our collaboration with the University of London has brought about an experience whereby you do your program in Nigeria. We have option for 6 months and we have an option for 1 year. So as an affiliate, you can come either through Pathway 1 or Pathway 2. If you come in through Pathway 2 as an affiliate, it means in 6 months you can have your Masters in Professional Accountancy and you can have your graduation in University of London. And this gives you an opportunity to be able to get jobs any part of the world, because this qualification in Masters in Professional Accountancy from the University of London is a qualification that has existed for over 25 years. And we have over 40,000 members across the world on this University of London platform. Thank you also for that very question. I made mention something earlier that we are building world-class finance professional. The qualification ACCA is open to all. It is not only for accountants only or student of business administration. As long as you are interested in finance, to remain relevant, to be part of the next business leader, you can come into ACCA qualification from any background, be it social sciences, be it finance related courses. It's an open program. The future is actually very, very bright, and we've seen quite a lot of activities going on now, which is encouraging us to be able to invest more in this very world space. We are seeing an opportunity whereby building world-class finance professional starts from not only from tertiary institution but from secondary school. This is an initiative we've started with as a last year, whereby case study competition has been introduced to secondary school, where they come to discuss real business issues at that level, and you'll be surprised the kind of feedback we received was very, very interesting, because ACCA did something about almost 2 years now, came up with a research and decided to introduce a paper called Strategic Business Leader. Strategic Business Leader is a paper that has to do with 5 technical skills that are expected you to have. One of it is for you to be able to demonstrate analytical skill. One of it is for you to be able to demonstrate evaluation skill. Another major skill that was required is professional skepticism. Apart from professional skepticism, you need to also demonstrate commercial acumen. And the height of it is that you need to demonstrate your communication skill. Now, these revolutionize or change the entire qualification to take it beyond just preparing you as an accountant, but to make you a business leader. Somebody who is going to look at things beyond just the numbers, but will be able to give interpretation to financial information in such a way that you can use it for other things. We start talking about data analytics. We start talking about business advisory. So accountants of today are now business leaders. They are not just numbers people ordinarily. The accountant of tomorrow is going to be that accountant who is technology savvy. The accountant that sees beyond just the numbers. The accountant who recognizes that the role of making business move to the next level is beyond just churning out numbers. There's something called machine learning. We have turned around the whole idea of looking at financials just from the numbers point of view. Rather, we have to start looking at what is called integrated reporting. Integrated reporting, looking at sustainability, talking about other areas that are critical to taking the business to the next level. So the future, the accountant we see for the future is a finance professional a business leader and not just a numbers what person.